Hi friends, on a New Year's Day's Eve, I thought of sharing a strategy with you. This strategy is a Chikou based strategy, and it kind of you can call it as a dumb strategy, wherein you don't have to apply too much of your brain and just follow the basic thing that you see in front of your eyes or on your chart. You just have to find these pointed uh, structures and trade based on that. The only condition is that you trade the first pointed structure once the price crosses the price crosses the Chikou crosses the price. So, for example, if price was if Chikou was above and then the price crossed and the Chikou cross price, this pointed structure is important for us. It has to be compulsorily pointed structure, nothing like this. It has to be pointed like this, and not the flatter one. These flatter ones are not tradable. These pointed ones are important for us. Uh, the first time the price crosses, the Chikou crosses the price and then creates a structure like this, we buy or sell based on the crossover. If the Chikou is crossing price from below, then we will look for the structure to be made above the price and then we buy, and vice versa for the sell side. Generally, the stop loss is above or below Kijun as per the direction of your trade. Okay, or recent swing high or low can be used. So I've randomly picked up Axis Bank and let's see what happens. So now we are already below price. We'll see whether the price crosses, the Chikou crosses the price. Okay, so once the price, Chikou crossed the price, there was a pointed structure created over here. Okay, so if you believe that the sentiment is bearish, then you can sell as soon as this green line is broken. Or if you are a very conservative player, then you will stop, you will wait for the close below this green line and then you can sell. Okay, so over here, a green line was crossed and close was below that. So the low was 462 and after that it went low to 445.90. Okay, that is one way. If somebody is positional and wants to go for more profits, then let us see this. Now see over here, if you would have used this swing high as your stop loss, it would have been taken. But Kijun being a strong stop loss, you would have not kept the stop loss as high of this swing, which is 483.50. You waited for close above Kijun. Now let's see what happens. Even Kijun has moved below that green line. So from 462 odd, 466 or 462 odd, you have seen low of 429 and Kijun is in your favor now. So we started shorting from 466 and we were short, we saw the low of 366 also. In between, I am sure you would have got many opportunities to book profit. Prices have moved down, Chico has moved down, and I have plotted a green line over here. Let's see if it was hold. Again, it has moved up, so I am plotting a green line over here. Okay, there was a close above this green line and the prices moved up. So this was the green line and there was a close over here above that and high of that was 421.75 odd. From there it went to 447.60. Just observe this, how beautiful you entered this trade. 421. Although you would have felt that that stop loss is too big for you, 18-20 rupees. But just look at this, how much profit it is giving you. You are entering a probable trade, a good probability trade. So what I mean to say is, if you are not able to, take uh, just buy call or sell option, sell put option. If you feel that this is too big for you, sell put option or say buy call and stay in the trade. You never know how much time it will take to complete the trade. because we cannot time the market, but at least we can be in the trade. And there are different ways of being in the trade. If your risk appetite is good, then go with futures. Kijun being in your favor, everything is going to be good. So I'll pause this video over here. Uh, so I'll just explain you two things. First, crossover and immediate pointed structure. That will be your, and close above that for buying, close above that will be your entry point. And if the Chiku crosses the price and comes down, then a pointed structure, first pointed structure, you draw a green line or whatever line, and a close below that green line would be your entry point. And then just write the trade. Then you can book if the closing is above or below Tenken, or if the price, if the Chiku crosses the price on the opposite direction. All those can, all that thing can be done. You can try this thing in Nifty, Bank Nifty, then your commodities, futures, options, everything, currencies, everything. So you try that, and I would request you to make one video at least of whatever script you like to trade in, and send it across. Send it across so that we all can watch it on the group, and we can share it. You can make this kind of videos on PPT, PowerPoint, just insert screen recording and it gets recorded. Okay. So thank you very much. This is a New Year's gift from my side and Sanket's side. So I hope this strategy is beautiful. If you check hourly candle, hourly chart of Nifty, today's Nifty spot, there was a trade opportunity, and was a good opportunity to short Nifty in the morning itself. So you can check for yourself, and similarly you can also find stocks of your choice and make the videos and send it across for everyone. Thank you very much. So one strategy is already covered. This is the advanced strategy which is already covered. One more strategy I would share on the 25th, and other strategies and other inputs will be valuable inputs will be covered by Sanket. So wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year from my behalf and Sanket's behalf. Okay. So thank you very much. Stay safe.